Hello to everyone who are watching this video. I wish to lend your ears for a moment to listen to what I'm about to say. So let's not waste any time and let's just cut to the chase. Probably you are wondering, who am I? Well, I'm Donald and I'm running for student council and I'll be representing all diploma programs. And you also may be curious to whether am I suitable for such an important position. Well, I'm gonna tell you that you are the main reason why. I'm hoping to use all my past leading experience to represent us, the students. During my school years, I've actually led multiple events that were all successful in the end. And I was also a supervisor who is responsible for monitoring the grounds of a year-end book sale. So, I think I'm capable of taking up any challenges. And the sole reason for why am I running for student council is because I want to be your voice. From what I've realized during my time in college, not many students dare to express themselves. Hence, I'll be the one who will bridge the gap between us students and all respective managements. Because all voices deserve to be heard, and none will be left behind. And another thing that I've noticed is that not many students acknowledge the presence of student council. And because of that, I want to change it. I want to make the student council a place where students can rely on. A place that truly welcomes all students. And to make myself stand out, I won't be like any other candidates asking for vote. Because I feel like I have to earn your vote. So, if you think I'm worthy enough to be entitled such position, all I ask is for you to place your trust and faith in me. So, I will be able to make our campus life a better place. Thank you for listening and hope you guys have a great day. Bye.